What is poppin', guys? It is your boy Zeph from Cruise Customs back here for another video. Today we are going to be working on the 2006 Audi A4. We're going to be knocking out one little thing on this car. This is the car we're going to be working on. It looks pretty good, look pretty dope right now, but we do got a special box. It's going to be a grill for this car. It's going to look really good once we put it all up on the car. So I just grabbed the box. This is the box right here. Looking all good. It's from DNA Motors, so you know it's a good quality package. So we got a front grille for the front of the car. We're going to be taking off the bumper and switching out the OEM front grille and changing it out for an aftermarket front grille. This one's going to be matte black. I will show you in a second. This one right now, it's all kinds of messed up. It's got ripple in the chrome effect. It's got chrome pieces missing down here. Everything is kind of just dirty, and it's missing this piece right here, which is a big reason why we are going to be changing this out, because it will make the car look a lot better and a lot cleaner in the long run. So this is what we're going to be doing. So let's open up this package. This is what the package looks like right here. Open it up. Oh shoot, it's hard to do it with a cast and one hand, so I'm gonna set you guys up real quick while I pull this out. So this is all that came into the box. You got the nice matte grill, and you got all these little after things. These are to stick in these little slots right here, just so that you don't have holes showing or whatever. This right here is for, I guess, like tow hooks or something. I don't know, I'm not sure. We'd have to take off the OEM to figure that one out, but it did come with a lot of stuff like bolts and screws to tie everything together on the car. So this is how we're going to start it off. We're going to start by taking off the bumper. Hopefully this is an easy process. I've done it before, but I've kind of forgot because I haven't done a lot of stuff on this car. So yeah, let's figure this out. Let's take off the front bumper and get this all started. So for this, the front bumper has a couple of screws that I need to take off before I can actually take it off of the car itself. So you got two bolts right here, one here, and then one in this little hole right here down deep, and one in this hole right here down deep. The other ones that I know of are over here that hold it into the like support beam or whatever. Got to take those out. And there's another one on this side as well. There is some, I believe. Nope, those are missing. So we do have only 4 bolts holding this bumper in, or 6 bolts that I believe are on the car as of right now that I know I need to take off. We'll figure it out if it doesn't come off once we get those 4 bolts or 6 bolts out. Then we'll try something else. But yeah, I'm gonna set you back up where you guys were to begin with, and let's get started with taking this thing off. So now that this is off, we can take off the bolts that connect the grille to the bumper, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bolts, something like that. So we're gonna take off these little tiny bolts, and then this should just come right off, and we can switch it out for the new one. So yeah, let's get it. So now that I got all 9 of these bolts out, sorry about the background noise, my dad is working on our work truck. That is coming soon. Shh, we gotta keep that on the down low, but that is gonna be a special little episode. or season type of thing, you know. That's coming up. That's coming up soon. But anyway, got all 9 of these bolts out for the grill, and it's ready to pop the grill out. So let's get this thing out of here and then test fit the new one and then see how it looks. Garbage. So here is the nice and new one. Let's go. Let's try to test fitting this thing. Ooh, that's looking spicy. Yeah, I like how that looks. Now let's bolt everything back together and put it on the car and let's see how it actually looks. Let's get it. So I got all the bolts in. Now it's time to put the bumper back onto the car so that we can get a look at how it looks on the car. And yeah, let's just get into it. I'm gonna set you guys back up so you guys can see the entirety of the car, and let's set it up and let's get it on the car. Yes, gang. Ooh wee, ooh wee. Yeah, let's get it. This is looking really good right now. So the plan is, after this is on, I'm gonna close the hood. We're gonna get a final look at how this grill looks on this car, because I think it's gonna look great. Y'all ready for this? Let's go. So guys, I think it came out looking pretty good so far. I mean, it does look kind of weird because it doesn't really follow the theme up front yet. We still got to change the headlights out. That will be next video after this one. Hopefully, if it's not, then it's the one after whatever video we upload. But the grill does look pretty nice. I do enjoy how it looks. So the plan is to have it like this, get headlights done, and then the whole front end will kind of tie itself together, if you know what I'm saying. Hope you guys did enjoy. It's been your boy Zeph from Cruise Customs. I hope you guys did really enjoy this video though. Please like, share, and subscribe because that helps us out a lot, and it helps us build these cars. We're planning on making every single one of our cars tricked out, doped out, and looking amazing. So with your guys' help, that would be greatly appreciated. So it's been your boy. I'm out. Deuces.